Hello students, let us see this question here. See, consider the spectral line resulting from transition n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1 in the atoms and the ions given below. The sorted wavelength is produced by. So, see, let us see. This is not required in the question. Alright. So, okay, so these four options are given here. So as you all know the formula to find the wavelength in the case of transition of electron, that is energy is equal to 13.6 electron volt 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So from here I can say energy you can write like 12400, right, upon lambda in angstrom is equal to 13.6 1.n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So this you know the formula. Okay, so now you can say the transition is given fixed. Okay, from n2 is from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1. So this part becomes constant here and this is also constant. So see, right, this entire will become constant. This entire becomes constant in this equation because n1 is fixed, right? The n1 is this one, right? This will become n1. So n1 value is 1 and this will become n2 because n2 is larger one and n1 is a smaller one. In this formula I have taken n1 is a smaller, n2 is larger. So see which one is a smaller here. This is a smaller is 1, so n1 value is 1 and n2 which is a larger one, that is 2. Sorry, this is my mistake. N2 is equal to 2. So for all the options same thing is there. N1 value, N2 value is same for all the options. So this implies this becomes constant. Okay, and this is already constant. So then this entire RHS will become constant here. Okay, so all right, and here in this formula it is also more appropriate. It is written like 13.6 Z square. Although, so here we will also write this you can take here. This becomes constant, and Z square you can write here. Okay, and this is electron volt. Okay, so from here I can say from this formula I can say this entire will become constant. Okay, so from here I can say 1 upon lambda is directly proportional to Z square. So you can say like the lambda is inversely proportional to Z square. So if you want to get the shortest wavelength, so Z must be highest. So I can say here for shortest wavelength Z must be largest. So see, out of the four options, in which case Z is largest? Obviously the lithium. So option D is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question. चलिए सर नेक्स्ट.